1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 33. The heavy losses which the firm has absorbed this year are almost enough to exhaust its resources. Full stop. The firm has had a series of poor years. Full stop. Do you know the causes of these successive losses? The firm itself gives several reasons. Full stop. Among them are the steady rise in costs and higher taxes. Full stop. What is the basis for your appeal to have your estate taxes reduced? I am sorry to lose your services, but as I have already said, you have my best wishes for your success. I shall always be happy to receive news of your doings. Full stop. Our pipes are nicely boxed, and we know it will pay you to put some of them in your showcases or in your windows. Full stop. We have to make a small charge for the boxes, but the pipes sell much faster when you show them in the boxes. Full stop. The Times successfully appeals each year for money for needy cases, and it raises a large sum for the purposes of charity. Full stop. Aid is as necessary this year as in the past. Full stop. I think the charges for these posters are excessive, and I wish to satisfy myself of the necessity for the high fees paid to the artists. Full stop. If you insist, we shall pay the fees ourselves, but the artists themselves think the charges are low for this type of job. Full stop.